179. Magnetic field in a certain region of space is given by V bar equals to 8.35 into 10 raised to minus 2 I cap Tesla. A proton is shot in the field with velocity of 2 into 10 raised to 5 I cap plus 4 into 10 raised to 5 J cap. Proton follows helical path in the field. Very true. Helical path क्योंकि दो velocity है इसके पास. This is Vx and this is Vy. The distance moved by proton in x direction during period of one revolution in yz plane will be how much? Field is acting along x-axis. We want distance moved in the x direction during period of one revolution. मतलब indirectly pitch we want ना? Hello?
Yes.
What is pitch formula I had told? Pitch is distance. Distance is what upon what? Speed is distance upon time. So distance is what? Speed into time.
Speed into time.
Speed along x-axis is which speed? Px.
Yes, sir.
Time. What is time for one revolution? Q V y into radius r equals to, अरे यार लेट लेट आते हैं और परेशान करते रहते हैं लोग. Since QVR is m, V square upon R. V square is nothing but Vy component we have to take. This is Q into B equals to M by R. R is not given. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So can you find Vy say R?
Yes.
QRB equals to mass into velocity Vy. Vy is given to us. Hello?
Yes.
Formula followed first?
Yes.
रब कर दो तो डायरेक्टली टाइम पीरियड लिख देता हूँ फिर आप करते हैं. Sum number 179 we are doing. Distance covered means pitch. Pitch is nothing but speed into time. Speed is V x. What is time? 2 pi m upon qb. Correct?
Yes.
Now Vx V is kitna? Vx 2 into 10 raised to 5 into 2 pi 3.14 into mass of proton 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 27. Q is given, it's 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 and B is 8.35 into 10 raised to minus 2. Now you can get,
Yes, sir. Got it.
so this is, I think this formula I had given to you all. So when you simplify this, 2 into 2, 4, 0.4. So we get 3.14 into 1.67 upon 0.4 into 8. 3.2 से थोड़ा ज़्यादा आएगा. A 4 into 5 20, 4 3s are 12, 12 and 2 14, 32 and 1 33 after 3-digit decimal into 10 raised to minus 27 upon 10 raised to minus 21. So this is nearly you can cancel. So 1.67 into 10 raised to minus of 21 minus 7. 1 5 is also there. 10 raised to 5. That means it is minus 26. 10 raised to minus 1. 0.167 का आसपास वाला कौन सा है देखो, सी लग रहा है मुझे ऑप्शन.
Yes, sir, got it.
180 and 181. Any doubt? No doubt for this. 182 to 185. Any doubt?
No, sir.
186 to 190. No doubt.
No, sir.
191. आ गया 191 भी. 192 193.
No doubt, sir.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं, 193 कैसा है आप लोग को, जरा समझाओ 193 का आंसर.
Sir, M is equal to NI.
वेरी गुड. हाँ, उसके बाद NI है, बराबर, परफेक्ट परफेक्ट करेक्ट. ठीक है. 194 195 196.
Sir, 196.
A long straight wire of a circular cross section carries steady current I which is uniformly distributed over the cross section. Which of the following plot, ये समझाया था शायद ना मैंने. (196) important sum. A long steady wire, long straight wire having circular cross section, ये पूरा wire है, carries steady current and current is uniformly distributed. मतलब इसमें से करंट जा रहा है, पूरा वायर का गुच्छा है, वायर 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 वायर, एंड कांस्टेंट करंट, स्टडी करंट is flowing. Which of the following plot is variation of magnetic field B with distance r from the center? Distance r from the center. When point is inside circular wire of radius A. So this is graph of distance r and B. Radius is A. Point can be inside, point can be outside. When it is inside, when point is outside, then you know B is nothing but mu naught I upon 2 pi r for a wire. Cylinder मत समझना, wire है ये, correct ना? But inside,
Yes.
if I take a Amperian loop inside, not outside now, inside, this whole is conductor. Inside Amperian loop B bar dot dl bar is mu naught times current enclosed. So B into 2 pi r mu naught, current density J is always constant, into area pi r square of that cross section. So therefore pi pi cancel, we get B, एक r भी cancel. B is directly proportional to r. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So till it is inside, B is directly proportional. Till r is A, then it becomes inversely proportional. ये वाला ग्राफ, ये आंसर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये. So inside a conductor, B and R are direct, outside inverse.
Got it, sir.
Then I think you got all till 200, correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Anybody is having any other doubt?
No, sir.
कोई बात नहीं, चलो आज इतने पे कर. निजा is present.